This video is for you if you are looking to see what the remaster option in Midjourney can actually do for you. So over on the Midjourney website, they tell us that remaster is an option for upscaled images made with previous Midjourney models, and remaster will create a new grid of images using the V5 parameter, blending the composition of the original image and the coherency of the newer. We will dissect this in detail, but on their website they show that this image was made with the V2 of Midjourney, and after remastering it, it came out to be like this in V5. Now this one is actually really decent. I also found another website, the midlibrary.io, and they also have a detailed guide on remastering. So you see on their website they mentioned that this was the original picture, this was the remaster, and after remastering 5 times they got this one. So this one was really sort of vague and a bit foggy in a sense, but this one is a lot clear after rolling the remaster 5 times. So in this case it improved it. And now this is the original photo, and then you have the remastered version. In my opinion, there's a disconnect of this character from the background, so it didn't do much to this original photo over here as well. Here are a few other examples. So this one is the original and this one is the remastered. I'd say that the remastered one looks a bit better. Same is the case with these two images. The remastered one is actually better and much more clear. And here are a few other examples as well, and you can see the original and the remastered, and this doesn't show a lot of actually improvement, but it actually added the cat eyes into it. So this also shows us that if you use the remaster, you might not get the best results all the time. So this was the original one, and then it changed into something completely different after remastering it several times. So the prompts were that colossal antimatter combustion collider engine cat. So the engine was supposed to be a cat, but after remastering it several times, you see on one side you have and on the left side you just see the cat. So this is a really good resource if you are looking to dive more into the remastering options that you have. I'll put the link to this website in the description box as well. If you found this video to be helpful, you can also watch the other videos on the channel, and you are definitely going to learn something new from those videos as well.